Assalamu alaikum and good morning dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Welcome to your science class in Montessori 2. So dear students, today's our topic is heavy and light. Today we will learn about heavy and light. Do you know that different objects have different weights? Do you know that different objects have different weights? A desktop computer is heavy, where a desktop laptop is light. Heavy, light. A coconut is heavy, where a orange is light. Heavy, light. Objects. These can be divided into two objects, heavy and light. A bus is heavy, where a car is light. Heavy, light. A ship is heavy, where a cycle is light. An airplane is heavy, where a parachute is light. A motorbike is heavy, where a scooty is light. Heavy and light. A football is heavy, where a ball is light. Students, find heavy and light things at your home. Take care. Allah Hafiz.